Okay, now the next step is that we're going to put a wash of transparent yellow iron oxide over mixed with faux finish medium, 2 parts of medium to 1 part paint, and then after that we're going to go with pine green and a touch of raw umber, also mixed with 2 parts faux finish medium and 1 part paint. So let's get started on that. I'm going to move this out of the way. And here is our dried surface, and as you can see, the faux finish has dried completely clear, and it also holds down our thick corrugated cardboard. So I'm going to take this and mix it together. And get some of that off my brush, and then I'm just going to slap it all over the place. This gives it an aged look. The transparent yellow iron oxide is transparent, hence its name, so it lets you see through what you put it over top of. So that gives us a yellow aged look, and the parts of the canvas where we didn't put any tissue or paper on, it tints it so that it doesn't look so stark anymore. And I want to dry that. Now it's dry, and you want to make sure that you dry it until you make sure that all stickiness is gone. It's very tempting to skimp on this step, but you do really want to make sure it's dry. Now I also want you to notice that because of my slip-slap motion, I have places that are really dark and places that are light. The creases and the wrinkles have given us some really nice texture, and it makes really for an interesting thing. I got a couple of bubbles because I dried it with a hairdryer, but you can take a pin and stick that pin in there and pop that bubble. I've got a big pin right here, so you just stick it like that, pop the air out of those bubbles, and then you can just paint over top of that with more of your faux finish. Okay, so now we're going to go to our other mixture, and we're going to mix the pine green with the faux finish, and we want just a little bit of raw umber in there. That's kind of going to be a judgment call for you for how much of a brown tone you want. Again, I'm going to get a little bit of it off of my brush, and then we're just going to put some of this over. We're going to put some on. We're going to wipe it off. You want this to be also transparent. So if you get too much paint and not enough faux finish, which is what I just did, then you can take your blue paper towel and just rub it. Okay, and you end up with a finish that you're pleased with. Get a little bit more of that on the cardboard. That can be more opaque there. Okay, so that's that background step for you now.